These are the old barn doors, and I just shortened them by 8 inches, cutting off the rotten part and basically removing the bottom rail. I'm now going to use these doors for the shed. So to attach the rail, I'm going to screw into the stile on an angle, and there's a little trick to that, so let me show you how to do it. I'll start drilling at a 90-degree angle, and then I'll tilt the drill bit horizontal and come right through the middle of the board. All right, so that was just a quick tip video. If you want to see what these doors look like once they're all painted and hung in the shed, definitely subscribe to my channel. That video should be up in about a week or two, and I usually post some kind of a video at least once a week. So if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that will let you know each time I post a new video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.